Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to update Bitcoin.com app. So if you also want to update Bitcoin.com app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you update your Bitcoin.com application, you'll be able to enjoy more benefits and features. Also, your application will be much more smoother and secure. So in order to update the Bitcoin.com wallet app, for that, first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Now simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in bitcoin.com. After that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the application for bitcoin.com wallet. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here right now you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that your application will be updated. Once your application has been updated, instead of update option you'll be able to find the option for open. That means your application has been updated and you're using the latest version of the application. So that is how you update Bitcoin.com wallet app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.